Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. As we embark on today's heartfelt Vlogmas episode, I invite you to join me on a nostalgic trip down memory lane, revisiting the diverse moments we've shared over the past 21 days. From makeup tutorials, like I did here, and I am hoping you were able to catch a glimpse of this content when I shared it. In case you do not know, I share easy and quick makeup look that you can adopt, especially if you're in your 40s or basically someone who does not like to wear too much makeup. Then I've got you covered. You should check out my makeup tutorial videos. They are your basic, easy to do makeup. Imagine that I am holding your hands and putting you through all of that. Into my office workflow, I shared that also. And cooking for my amazing team members at work. I have basically opened the doors to my world, offering you a front row seat to the unseen facets of my life. Together, we have explored the most recent vlogs, from the festive Christmas party at work. There are a lot of videos I haven't put together. I'll be talking about mental health, love for animals. Like I was saying, together we've explored the most recent vlogs, from the festive Christmas party at work and the joyous birthday party appreciation gathering, to the heartwarming volunteering experience at my workplace cafeteria. And I recently showed you this Christmas recipe, the aromatic rice. Hope you are gonna give it a try. I have loads and loads of Christmas wine recipes, mocktails that I will be sharing very, very soon. I know it's 3 days to go, but trust me, I have you covered. Now, I showed you some decorations I did at home. I took you shopping for some Christmas decorations and gave you suggestions. I will be sharing in my mental health how you should take care of yourself. Self-care is not selfish. I also showed you some decorations at my workplace done by some students. It has just been an amazing, really amazing vlog. So as we anticipate the final 3 days of Vlogmas, I am excited about the prospect of delivering even better, more inspiring and special content. So your feedback and enthusiasm have been the driving force behind the upload, and I can't wait to continue the journey together. In my 8-minute special, I am not only showcasing snippets of this moment, but also expressing my deep gratitude for your unwavering support and love. Your presence on my channel, your engagement with my content, and your connection with me as a person means more than words can convey. I truly, truly appreciate you. So, join me in the reflection, celebration, and expression of gratitude. Your constant support has made this 21 days truly special. And like I said, I look forward to the exciting content that awaits us in the days to come. Here is to you, to us, and to the beautiful moments that makes this Vlogmas journey unforgettable. On today's hashtags, I will be choosing hashtag Vlogmas journey, hashtag gratitude celebration, hashtag reflecting on moments. I took you through my cousin's wedding, creating cherished moments that will linger in our hearts. I am so glad that you chose me as a channel to support, and I do not take that for granted at all. I pray and wish that you will have a very fantastic Christmas this 2023. Traveling on the train was something I really absolutely loved, and I love the chit chats that we usually have when I do my work vlogs in the car. I honestly cherish those. I hope you do too. I cherish those moments, and I hope you do too. Then it was my birthday, and I love that I was supported. Honestly, I think I work with the best humans. I work with the best humans. I know so. I know so. And I pray that God blesses them wherever they are in their journey in life. And I pray that you come across people that genuinely love you, because it means a lot to have people that genuinely love and support you. Here are a few of the most recent vlogs. I hope you have been able to watch some of them or all of them. You know this channel is for both of us, right? If you're new here, please welcome and consider subscribing. Like this video and leave me a comment. What did you think about this vlog? Basically, it is reflecting on 21 days of Vlogmas, a journey of moments, gratitude, and celebrations. This is all I have for you today. I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!